my ears can hear and my mouth can speak. My spirit talks, I know my soul believes, but we're running out of time. All the echoes in my mind cry.